Welcome to Lesson 3, where we'll be designing your squeeze page. So for this example, we're using Instapage, which is our favorite squeeze page designer, but feel free to use whatever CMS or landing page maker you prefer. For starters, we're going to choose from one of Instapage's templates. We'll be changing things quite a bit, so it doesn't really matter which one we choose. Now we like to keep things pretty minimalist, so first thing we're going to do is eliminate all the extra rows, which can be done by clicking the delete button at the top left of each section. As for the background, we'll go with plain white for this example, which can be done by clicking Settings, Background, Background Color, and be sure to remove any background image that's already there. Next, we'll need to fashion a headline and subheadline. We'll just use the text elements that came with the template. For the headline, let's try grab 2 of our amazing video courses for free. And for the subheadline, let's try something like hurry, this free offer ends soon. Click the button below to grab your 2 courses fast. Next, we'll want to add the eCover bundle image. Just go to Add New, Image, and upload the image from your computer. Click Insert and drag and resize the image to sit just under the subheadline. Finally, we'll need to add a button. We recommend using the 2-step opt-in strategy because it's been shown to have a positive impact on opt-in rates. We'll go to Add New and select Button. Resize the button to your liking and then click Edit. You'll want to change the button text to a CTA or Call to Action statement. Many marketers find that using terms from the visitor's perspective, like my and me, produce a higher conversion rate. So let's try Get My Free Courses. Feel free to adjust the style options as you see fit, and then click Done. Next, with the button still selected, we'll click the link icon to bring up the Click Event dropdown, and then we'll choose the pop-up option. In this pop-up area, you'll want to place another headline and an opt-in form. Click Headline and then click Form 2. Arrange the form so it's centered under the headline. For the headline, let's try something like, tell us where to instantly send your free courses. For the opt-in form, the default name and email fields are fine, but you'll want to double-click the button, click on Button Style, and enter another CTA. Let's try something like Send me my free courses, and click Done. Next, double-click either of the form fields and click on Integrations from the top menu. This is where you'll choose your autoresponder service and link the opt-in form to your desired email list. When you're finished, click Done at the top of the page. The second to last step is to click the mobile phone button in the top menu. Here, you'll just want to arrange things to make sure the page looks good on mobile devices. Be sure to click on the button and do the same for the pop-up area. This is typically where you'd click the A/B split test button in the top menu if you wanted to do a split test. That's not the focus of this course, nor is it a necessity, so we're going to skip that step this time, but be sure to check out our course on split testing if you want to really max out your opt-in rates. The last step is to make sure your landing page is compliant with legal policies. Typically, you'd see things like a non-spam disclaimer and a clear link to a privacy policy so people know they're opting into a list. But just be sure to look up and follow whatever laws are applicable in your country. Finally, when you're happy with everything, click Publish and choose where you want to publish the page. We always just choose the demo page option, which just means it'll be hosted by Instapage. So now that our page is ready, we just need to send some traffic to it, which is what we'll be learning in the next lesson.